everybody, it is Saturday, so that means we are going to do the 5 off of 25 deal. I got some pretty good products that I'm going to pick up, so we're going to go inside, shop in the store to share with you guys some deals, but let's go have some fun shopping. The first store we're going to do is the Gain Pods. These are on sale for $3.95. We do have a $1 off digital coupon, so you'll get these for just $2.95. The next thing we're going to do is the Gain fabric softener. You can do the fabric softener, you can do the dryer sheets, or you can do the shakers. But these are on sale for $3.95, and you want to use a $1 off digital coupon, making them for just $2.95. This easy freebie is $2.10, and we do have a digital coupon for free, so you guys will end up getting it for $2.50 taken off, so you'll get this for free. The next deal you want to do is the Kids Cavity Protection Toothpaste. It's $1, but we actually have a $2 off digital coupon that is working for this deal, so this ends up becoming a $1 moneymaker. So these cleaning wipes are $3.50. We do have a buy one get one free coupon that you want to use, so you end up just getting both of these for $3.50 or $1.75 each. The next deal we're going to do is the Sweet Tarts for $1. You pay $1 for it, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you get these for just 50 cents. These ones are $1.25. I don't know if these are still $1 or $1.25 since they are Dollar Tree items. These also are $1, so we're going to pay $1 for it, but then there's a different 50-cent rebate with Ibotta that you want to do, so you'll get these for 50 cents also. The next deal we're going to do is the Swabby Towel. Now it is on sale for $3.50, and then there is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up just getting this for $2. And the last deal we're going to do is the Dove deodorant for $2.50. You're going to buy 2 of them. You're going to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, so you end up getting these for just $1 each or $2 together. Hey everybody, so I'm back from couponing at Family Dollar. A couple of things that did not go the way I planned. So the Dove deodorant said it was $2.50 on the shelf, and they actually rang up $3.95. And then one of the Sweethearts or whatever did ring up $1.25 instead of $1. So my total came out to be $11.66, but then I did get $1 back with Ibotta, so it came out to be just $10.66 or 96 cents each. That Colgate toothpaste coupon only took off $1 and not $2 off. And that Airwick did not take off for free. It said it did say it was to $1.99, and it only did take off $1.99, so you technically got it for 11 cents. But I did get 11 items for, you know, 10 bucks. I think that's a pretty great deal. I got the 2 Gains, the the 2 things of Fabuloso, the Swabby Towel, the Sweethearts, the Airwick and everything. But the only thing I recommend not possibly doing is, well, I guess the Colgate toothpaste is still free, I guess, if you guys want to do that. But the Dove deodorant I was kind of depressed in, but otherwise it was still a good haul. So that was my haul. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.